slips through the folds of these old curtains, quiet and slow. I trace your name on window glass, then let it fade before it shows. You're walking roads I cannot see, with dreams too wide for me to hold. Someone walks beside you still, in every story yet untold. And I don't need to know the way, just that you're safe embraced today. Where you may go, I know love's hand will find you there. Not just anyone, you deserving seen beyond compare. I saw your hair catch afternoon sun for just a second down the street. You didn't turn, but I stood still, letting my silence be complete. No need to call, no need to stay, just knowing you are loved is enough to say. Where you may go, I know love's hand will find you there. Not just anyone new, deserving seen beyond compare. This isn't loss, it's letting know into a kindness deeper than my own. The same that warms this room tonight is holding you in perfect light. Deserving known and held so true.